Hello everybody. In this video we're gonna start talking about a new topic which is very useful and it saves a lot of time and makes life easier um, in many ways. In this video I'm just gonna talk about the concept, so I'm not gonna go into deep details because I just need to make people familiar with what we're gonna talk about. In the future or the next few videos I'm gonna talk about this topic in more details, and I'm gonna go and revisit some of the files that we made before in the previous videos in this series, and we'll re-edit the script so that it shows the difference before and after using this new piece of information. So the topic of today's video is what we call the local or the sub functions. To understand this, I'm just gonna do a quick thing that we did before, which is getting the roots of a nonlinear algebraic equation, and we did this many times before. We can write the function as a function handle and then use fsolve to do the solution, or we can save the function as kind of user-defined function, something like this, so that we can recall the function. And what we did was that I have the function here, it's named local, and what I would do is I would call the output m. I want to get the roots, so it's gonna be fsolve, and then add local, and then put the initial value, let's say 1, and we will run the file. But before that I need, oh, okay. So one issue that always faced us is that your file is there and it's working, but you do not have the current folder or the current folder right. So you have to have the current folder containing the M file that you are recalling open, and now I have another current folder that does not have the file. So I have to go back to the current folder that contains the file that's named local, and then write the code, and then it's gonna run. And this is a kind of very tedious process, because sometimes you do not remember where you save the file if you're working on different folders, so you might kind of get lost. You don't understand or remember which folder you have your file in, or if you send the file to another person, or send it to yourself by email or something, so that you can open it on another computer, then this is gonna be not a nice thing to face, to keep looking for the place where you save the file. So what we can do is to save time by putting the this function that you're gonna recall in the same script where you're gonna write the code. So what I'm gonna do is simply I'm gonna write the code, or the command here. So I'm gonna take it and put it here, and I'm gonna just do one small edit, because this cannot have the same name of the file. So I'm gonna call it local1, and that's all. So you can add more, of course. You can say options equals opt-in set display off, and put here options, and you should be good to go. So if I run the file now, it's gonna work. You can do anything that you want to do, clear and CLC, run the file, it's working. You can try different things. For instance, you can add one more local file. So I can add function z equals local2 of L, for instance, and I'm gonna call it z equals let's say 5 multiplied by x power, multiplied by sine 5x, multiplied by exponential 0.5 multiplied by, oh, I'm sorry, L, not x, 0.5 L, and end. So I can now do one more command besides the fsolve. I can fplot the local 2 and run the file, and it should be, yeah. And this is the figure. You can put close here, so you can close any other files that you have, and then run the file. um, Close. I don't understand what's the problem. It's column. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I just typed that thing. So you can add, of course, everything you want to do. You can put the grid lines. You can put any access titles, whatever thing you want. So you can put as many functions as you want. You might think that this is not a big deal, because I know I can, instead of doing all this, I can put a function handle instead of this, and a function handle instead of this, and it's gonna be easier. It's just gonna take 4 less lines than this. But again, this is just a proof of concept. I'm just telling you how this works, and in the next videos you will see in more details how it works and how it can make life easier. And we will see other cases that will require some edits that need to be done to the whole file, not just to the functions. So I hope the idea is clear for you, and I'll see you in the next video, inshallah. Goodbye.